Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw donations from GoFundMe to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw donations from GoFundMe to your bank account, start by logging into your GoFundMe account. Navigate to your campaign dashboard. Locate the Manage section, which is typically on the left side of the screen. Click on the Withdraw Money option. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to enter your bank account information. Provide your bank account details carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. Once you've entered your information, review it to confirm everything is correct. After verification, click on the Verify button to proceed. GoFundMe will send a verification email to the address associated with your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your bank information is verified, return to the Withdrawal section. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw from the available funds. Select your bank account from the list, if prompted. Click the Withdraw button to finalize your request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal is being processed. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposit. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to GoFundMe's Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.